Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy XCover 5, and today I'll show you how you can change your ringtone volume, how you can enable or disable your ringtone. So all you have to do, simply open the settings, and when you are here, we have to go for the sounds and vibration, right here. Next, we have to scroll down and we'll find volume, so let's enter. And as you can see here, we got the ringtone volume. So to enable your ringtone volume, just swipe with this dot on the right. As you can hear right now, our ringtone is enabled. If you want to disable, just do the same. You will feel vibration, and for sure, that's how you can adjust and change your ringtone volume in the smartphone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.